Why did you choose him in particular?
Oh, good question. He actually chose me.
Other way around.
That's a very good one. Okay, so that's how it worked. So how did you get here as a client? I'm at the Virgin Active Gym in Port Elizabeth, the beautiful windy city of Port Elizabeth, right at the southern tip of South Africa. I'm here to speak to some of the members that gym here, asking them a very simple question, what they do for work. So follow me along. Hi there, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Good. My name is Zola. Today I'm asking Virgin Active members what they do for work. Could you spare a minute of your time and tell me what you do for work?
I actually work here.
Oh, really?
I work here with personal training at the club.
Okay. How long have you been doing that for?
It's over a year now. But initially, I first started working here when I was studying as a receptionist. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So now you're a qualified personal trainer.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So did you have to go to school for that? How did you get started with that?
Yeah, I had to study for it. So I studied through ETA College, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after that, I got my qualification.
And how long did that take you?
It takes about a year.
Okay.
Year course.
Okay, awesome. So what is the job of a personal trainer? Can you tell me? Someone who does not understand what a fitness trainer does in the gym,
Yeah.
what do you do?
A fitness trainer is basically there to change people's lives. That's how I see it. To get people in shape, maintain people's weight, I should say. Also for mental health as well, because I know most people don't train only just to lose weight, but just to be there to de-stress as well. So a personal trainer is there to guide you, to assist you for people who feel nervous, to train by themselves at the gym. So, and to also have someone to push you as well, to push your goals if you're not 100% sure on how to get them.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. And how do you get paid as a trainer? Do you work for the gym or are you kind of like self-employed? How does it
We
work?
don't work for the gym. We run our businesses here, so we're tenants at the club.
Okay.
So we rent basically the building. So we run our businesses there inside.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how do you get clients then?
Sometimes Vision Actors helps us through like sales and stuff like that, because they also have their own system where they introduce packages where if you join, then you get a personal trainer session free then. It works like that. Then sometimes people, around contacts by networking.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much can you make as a personal trainer?
It depends. It's up and down because this month's different because it's a commission basis type of thing. So I can't really say exact amount. I don't even want to lie because I would be like not accurate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give me at least a range?
Range, you can say 20, 25, 30. It depends.
Okay.
It depends.
So when you're starting out, more or less, how much are you earning?
Starting out, I can say probably like 15 or probably at 12 because now you're still trying to figure out like the first few months.
Sure.
Because now you don't have no clients, you have no client base.
Yeah.
So now I'm still trying to figure out your whereabouts, yeah. And then after that, if you have a good client base,
Okay.
then
All right.
Yeah.
So what's your specialities? Why should I come to you for personal training?
you should come to personal training.
Yeah.
I don't have a certain thing. I always say if you know what you want, I'm sure I can get you there. What I always look for is someone that's going to be committed and dedicated to what they're signing up for. Because you can say, okay, you want to build your body, you want to be fit, all of that, build muscle.
Right.
The next thing, you're not going to be showing up and all of that. So I want someone who's going to be consistent.
Okay.
Because you can tell me your goals, then you're not showing up for them. Yeah.
Okay.
But more or less, I'm an all-rounder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Weight loss, shaping, resistance training, weight training, muscle building, all of that.
Great stuff. I didn't
Yeah.
even ask you your name.
Yeah, Sporaz.
Okay,
Sporaz, yeah.
all right, Sporaz.
Yes.
So guys, if you want to get in shape or whatever weight or fitness goals you want to achieve, yeah, Sporaz is the girl to go to.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
All right.
Cheers. Okay, so that's Pogazi, one of the fitness trainers here at Virgin Active Green Acres branch, by the way. So if you happen to be in Port Elizabeth, Green Acres, you can chat to Spogazi. Hey man, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good man, my name is Zola.
Nice to meet you.
And today I'm asking Virgin Active members what they do for work.
Oh no, I'm currently in high school still.
Okay, what grade are you?
Matric.
All right.
Yeah.
And what are you training for? Are you training
Just-
for anything specific?
No, not really. It's just to keep my health up, make sure I'm physically fit.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And what are you hoping to do once you finish school?
I want to become a lawyer.
Oh, wow.
It's either that or something within investment banking.
Wow. Okay. Why those professions in particular?
Makes money.
So you're after the moolah, man.
After the money.
No, good stuff, man. I wish you all the best.
Exactly.
Thanks, buddy. Okay, here's two interesting couple. Yeah. Sorry, guys. How are you?
Hi, good in yourself?
Very well. My name is Zola. I own a YouTube channel, a finance channel, actually.
You can't do this when I don't have makeup on.
Yeah, you gotta be famous. Yeah. I'm actually asking Virgin Active members today what they do for work. Would you mind telling me? I can see you.
I'll have to tell you, man.
Oh man. This is free marketing for you. It's your lucky day.
I live in the club, man.
Oh wow, okay.
I live in the club from 5 until 6, 7 p.m. today because of a particular someone.
Okay.
I work all day.
All right. So this is a client. Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Why did you choose him in particular?
Well, good question. He actually chose me.
Other way around.
That's a very good one. Okay. So that's how it worked. So how did you get her as a client?
I saw her upstairs and then I approached her a couple of times and then eventually she got interested in my personal training.
Right.
And then she took up a package.
Okay.
The rest is history.
Awesome. So what was your journey like becoming a personal trainer? Is it something you always wanted to do? How did you get started?
I was always into fitness, sports, so I knew that I would have something in line of sporting activity. So personal training actually won. If I had to choose another career, it would be a sporting career, an athlete.
Oh, wow.
Athletics, track, sevens rugby, but personal training won.
Right.
So yeah, I am today.
What's the best thing about being a personal trainer?
Man, besides living the life of being fit and healthy, it's meeting amazing clients, meeting amazing people,
Okay.
and transforming
sure,
lives,
okay.
transforming physiques and mentalities. It's
Wow,
awesome.
great.
People can say that you've inspired them.
Great. And what's your speciality? I mean, if I want to come to you,
Oh man, it's a
What-
lot. It's quite a few. Boxing, bodybuilding, muscle building, fitness, HIIT, which is high intensive interval training, cardio, body weight. Yeah.
awesome. And the most important question, how much can a fitness trainer expect to earn?
Man, that is a good question. Should I expose that?
Well, it can be a range, I'm sure.
We're all in
It's-
different tiers. We all operate differently. But let me just say, if you're a top performing PT, anything around 35, and then if you're having a bad month, anything around 25,
Sure.
20 or 25.
Oh,
A
awesome.
bad month is maybe 20. A good month, a top performing month is anything maybe just above 30.
Awesome. I can see one of the top tiers.
Yeah,
that's for sure.
Thank you very much. I didn't say that. You said that. You said
Great
that,
stuff,
not
great
me.
stuff. Thanks for
buddy.
chatting. And you, ma'am, what do you do?
Well, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but my main source of income is I manage property.
Oh, wow.
So landlady, yeah.
That sounds very interesting. So you own your own company or you work for...
No, I just inherited a house and I'm renting it out. I can't take credit for anything. Yeah.
Okay, so you do that full time.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so you're planning to grow that or what's your...
No, I do dabble in this, that, and the other thing. I do trade crypto a bit.
Really?
But I'm doing it more for the long term now instead of day trading, more swing trading.
Sure.
Yeah, and then just planning what I'm passionate about, doing this, doing that, doing the other thing, trying to figure out my
Traveling.
passions. Yeah.
Yo, yeah, you
That's
sound
it.
like you're living the life, eh?
Thanks. I like to think so.
Well, enjoy, guys. Let me not keep you any
Thank you
longer.
so
Thanks for
much,
chatting
man.
to me.
Thanks.
Cheers. Hey, how are you, my man? How are you doing? Zola is the name. I'm asking Virgin Active members what they do for work. Would you mind telling me what you do for work?
I'm an IT analyst, specializing in software development.
Right. How long did it take you to get into that role?
Started for 4 years, started working after that.
Do you enjoy that?
I do.
How much can you expect to make in that role?
Oh, it depends where you're working.
Okay. A range, more or less.
I'm not sure about the PE market. So, I'm not sure what the rate is.
Okay. Steve doesn't want to reveal his income, this guy. Hi there, how are you?
How are you?
Very well, my name is Zola.
Hi,
I actually run a YouTube channel.
Okay,
And today I'm asking Virgin Active members what they do for work. Would you mind telling me who you are, what you do for work?
My name is Desiree. I'm a banker.
Wow, okay.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what that entails? Because that's quite very, very broad.
I do everything, like whatever bankers do. Like, yeah, don't ask me to tell you which bank I work for, please.
No, like we want the role, exactly what you do as a banker.
I'm a consultant.
Okay, so
Yes.
you're at the front end, you deal with client facing and so on.
Yes, I am.
Did you always want to be a banker? How did that come about?
It happened. You know, they say life happens, so
Yeah.
that also happened.
Yeah.
It wasn't something that I planned.
Do you enjoy being a banker?
I enjoy working with people,
Okay.
but being a banker, it's another story.
Okay.
But I enjoy out working with
If
people.
someone wants to be a banker, like what's the best way to get into that role? Do you have to go to school? What can give you an edge if I wanted to
Obviously,
be one?
going to school will give you an edge, but nowadays it's on-job training. They send you for training and you learn what you need to do it in your job, you know. Lots of people are in various fields, but they learn on the job.
Yeah.
So maybe, like I started engineering, but I
Okay.
ended up in a bank.
Wow,
So that's
okay.
why I'm saying you don't need to be in the banking field to be able to work in a bank.
Oh, awesome.
Yes.
And since you're in finance, what's the best finance tip or money management tip that you can give? Or that you've learned or heard in your experience?
Oh my word! I'm maybe not the best person to ask.
Okay,
Okay.
last question. What can one expect to earn in a role as a banker?
The money is okay. I don't want to say it's good because we always want more money, but the money is okay.
So what is the range?
The
Like
range,
20,
it's
30?
between, do I really have to say that?
Well, a range.
Okay, 15 to 20.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for chatting to me. Cheers. Okay, guys, there you've had it. I guess a front-facing banker, 15 to 20 grand. Yeah. Okay, let's chat to this lady. Hi, ma'am. How are you? My name is Zola. I own a YouTube channel around finance, and today I'm asking Virgin Active members what they do for work. Do you mind telling me who you are, what you do for work?
Oh, my name is Len and I'm a psychologist.
Wow, that's very interesting. I mean, how did you get into that?
Long story.
Okay, I'll chat to you some other time. Yeah, that one would have been very interesting to chat to. She's a psychologist. Okay, yeah. There's a brilliant guy to chat to, looking very handsome after a nice workout. My name is Zola.
Hi, Zola.
I have a channel around finance, and today I'm asking Virgin Active members what they do for work.
I design for a company that makes plastic parts. I'm a mechanical design manager. Yeah, so,
Wow, that sounds very complex.
like any job, it gets boring after a while, but yeah, it's good.
And how long have you been doing that for?
You really want to know? Probably
Yeah.
about 25 years.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's a long time. You must enjoy it.
It's a job. You've got to keep your job, but I do enjoy it. It brings me good satisfaction, and it's good stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
For someone who wants to get into that, like, how would they go about doing it? Do you have to go to school? Is it more like...
Now you'd need
Income.
school, preferably a mechanical diploma or engineering degree. But yeah, I think you need to have a mind that's inquiring.
Right.
As a kid, I used to like taking things apart and then
Sure.
putting them back together. So you've got to have a desire to want to do stuff like that. But
Yeah.
yeah.
And how much can one expect to earn when they're starting out in that?
It's difficult to say. When you're starting out, you're probably looking at about between 10 and 15 maybe. Depends on your experience and the industry that you get involved in, because I think it's quite a specialized field.
Sure.
I wouldn't say it's a dying vocation, but
sure.
I think there's few of us around.
Yeah.
But it's hard work. Yeah.
And what advice would you give yourself, let's say 20 years ago, knowing what you know now?
Do everything differently. Buy houses. No, I don't know. I think you never know. 20 years ago, you never know what you know now. So it's always, it's easy to say now what you should have done. But I think when you're in that moment, you must go for it. You just got to follow your passion and go for it.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how do you find your passion? I mean, I think people often say that, follow your passion, but someone who's really trying to figure out what to
I
do.
think realistically, it's got to be something that evokes some kind of a passion inside you. But I think like anything, you're going to go through times where you don't enjoy it. There's going to be times when you dislike it. But you know, I think it's like anything in life. You know, you go to the gym. I hate going to the gym, but I go because I have to.
Yeah.
But you know, there's a lot of satisfaction and enjoyment that you can get out of it. But yeah, I think you got to find that thing that you like, and then just you've got to go for it and push through. I think the biggest thing is pushing through.
Oh, brilliant.
I think a lot of young people today, they kind of get to difficult things and they want to give up.
Yeah.
You've got to push through. So find
brilliant.
that thing that makes your spirit inside you jump, and then go for it and give it everything. Yeah.
I think that's great advice. And last question, why do you go to Virgin Active?
I have to. No, look, I think it's also one of the things in life. There's got to be a balance, and I've struggled with weight my entire life, but I've tried to keep healthy.
Yeah.
So it's something that I do as part of my lifestyle now, because it's something that I know that I need to do. Otherwise, I'd probably look worse, and I'd be unhealthy. I'm healthy even though I look overweight.
Yeah.
But so I keep on going. It's something I just have to go for it. So,
brilliant. And thank you so much for chatting. I didn't even catch your name.
That's Keith.
Oh, Keith. Thanks, man. All the best there. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, there you have it, folks. I've spoken to some interesting people. They've told me some interesting professions that they do, some interesting advice from Keith. Hopefully you've enjoyed this content, and if you like content like this, please let me know by leaving a like or a comment below letting me know what you liked. And if you want me to create content like this, please let me know. Otherwise, I would appreciate it if you subscribed and hit that notification bell, and look out for more videos like this.
I can feel the pain on my back, yeah. Keep on taking pills every day, yeah. Trying to numb the pain on my back, yeah. Still trying to change on my face.